Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you something about help function. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can email me. This is my email address, or you can fill the form, the link given in description box. Okay, so what is help function? Okay, why you should use and all, I will tell you in this video. For example, like you are writing the program, okay, and you don't know the syntax of if, while, loop and all. Okay, so what you can do, like you can write help. In that you can pass if. Okay, I'm using Jupyter. You can use any ideally, or you can use Visual Studio Code, anything. Okay, PyCharm. So I'm using Jupyter. So if you write like this, if, okay, and if I run this code, see, I'm getting right the definition of if, and also I'm getting syntax, right? If you are using Python, ideally you can also use like this print. After that we have to use double quote, you can also give, or single quote, fine. If in that we have to pass help, fine. If I run this code, I'll get same output. Okay, and also you can use like this in Jupyter, help, and just click run. It will ask input. Okay, like you can pass while, it will give you the while syntax and all. Okay, so here I will tell you one more interesting thing, like you can use help. After that you can, if you don't know the keywords, like how many keywords are there in Python, okay, so you can pass keywords also. See, I'm getting right all the keywords. Okay, so if you don't know the syntax of diff or till, that also you can pass here. Just copy this, paste here, and remove this keyword and use anything like for I want. Okay, if I run this code, I'm getting right for descriptions and all, right? And also I'm getting the syntax of for statement. Okay, so like this you can use help. Okay, if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.